How you going, guys? It's Collector Tyrant here, and today I'm going to go on a little bit of a mission. Okay, so a few weeks ago I started collecting Pokemon evolution cards. Now, I started collecting Pokemon cards back in the late 90s when I was just a kid. Back in those days, these things were like literally a form of currency on the school grounds. I remember I bought a base 1 Nidoran for only 20 Australian cents from some older kid. Like, it was grade 6, I was probably in grade, I think it's 4 or 5, I can't really remember. Anyway, Nidoran was the first card I ever got. And before that, I saw the anime a few weeks before I got the card on a show called Cheese TV. Now, in Australia, that was a huge cartoon segment show where two young guys would talk. I can't remember the names of them. I think one was Trent or something. But it was the go-to show for all kids before we went to school. Now, fast forward a few weeks, and this kid who I bought this Nidoran off rocked up to school with these Pokemon cards. Now, he had a whole folder of all these cards, and not anyone at the time knew what these were. Now, I believe his mother worked at like a Mr. Toy store, or in Australia that's a toy shop, and his mother must have got a heads up and bought him a bunch of discount booster packs, starter packs, and yeah, he's rocked up all these cards. Now, all of us kids are like, what the F are these things? We must have some. Everyone was going crazy for these Pokemon cards. Anyway, I eventually got a bit of alone time with the guy, and I said, hey man, I got 20 cents, is it cool if I buy one of your doubles off you? So he's like, flipped through his folder and he's like, here you go man, and passed me a base 1 Nidoran mail card. Now everyone knows what that card is who collected back then. Anyway, that was my first experience with Pokemon cards. Now my second run in with Pokemon cards was the day I got that card. I got home, I was at my dad's, and I was looking at this card, and dad's like, what is that you got in your hand, son? And I'm like, oh, it's a Pokemon card. And he's like, Poke what? I said, it's a Pokemon card, it's a trading card. Now, my old man, he used to love Kung Fu cards back in the 70s, so I guess he sort of figured out, well, this is some sort of collectible card. Now, I think it was a couple of weeks, probably a week or maybe that, a couple of days later, I rock up home with my brother, and my dad had got us all these Pokemon cards. We had about, I think it was 10 booster packs and 2 starter boxes between the both of us. I can't remember what exactly it was called. But that afternoon we pulled some awesome holographics. I think he got a holographic Alakazam on his first booster, and I got a Gyarados, probably my second or third from memory. We also pulled a Zapdos each and a few other holographics. So it was a good memory from my childhood that day when my dad first got us the Pokemon cards. Now, this afternoon I was out grocery shopping with my missus, and I stopped by EB Games and picked up this bad boy and 6 of these booster packs. So after a few weeks of collecting, I'm down to the last 28 cards to complete this set. Now obviously today I want to pull any EX cards I don't have. I believe I don't have the 2 Blastoids and the 2 Charizards, and I don't have Mewtwo, Dragonite, and a few other ones there too. But the main star for me today is that original art Charizard holographic. So if I pull the remastered version of that, I'll be pretty stoked. Okay, so now on to the box. I'll open it up. Now I had a few options to choose from, but I went with Arcanine for the box because Arcanine is my third favorite Pokemon of all time, and back in Gen 1 he was my first, and now it's Tyrant, funny enough. But as a kid, I kind of liked the idea of this gigantic 6-foot tiger hound that you could ride around on, and basically it was like this big pet dog that blew fire everywhere. And to put it down to the crunch, I think it's aesthetically pleasing as a Pokemon. Like, you know, just the colors and the way it's designed. I just think, you know, that's what drew me to Arcanine when I was a kid. Now, in this box, I believe there's 2 evolution booster packs, and there's 3 other ones, and the promo cards. So I'm going to keep the other booster packs for a later episode. And I'm going to add the two... sorry, my voice went a bit croaky. I'm going to add the other two booster packs to the 6 I got, making 8, and they're the ones I'm going to go through. Okay, so now I guess I'll go through the promos. Promo cards are, firstly, Crobat, Mandy Buzz, and the star of the pack is Sir Arcanine. That's a nice break card, I think. Oh yeah, also I've got this oversized Arcanine card. Now, looking at my folder, I'm not going to be able to put this anywhere. So maybe someone could suggest down in the comments where you guys put these cards. Because right now a photo frame looks like the best bet. But if you guys have a better idea, please type something down the bottom and I'll see what I can do. Okay, so I'm going to get these 8 evolution packs ready to open. And let's see what we can pull today, hey?
Okay, so I've got 1 Venusaur, 2 Blastoise, 3 Raichu, and 2 Charizard. So I think I'm gonna leave the Charizards to last because I'm hoping that Charizard's in that packet. So I think we might start off with Venusaur first. If anyone I haven't. There's that code. You can see it. There you go. Alright. The Misty. Misty's Determination. Oh, Charmander. Another Magnemite. Water card. Water Energy. Growlithe. Machop. Maintenance. Oh, I got another one of them. The Japanese Secret Executor. Another Misty. Non-holographic. Let's see what this one is, eh? Eradicate. There's nothing that great in that one. Let's put it inside. Alright, so next one I'm going to go with is Blastoise. Mega Blastoise. Code again. Right. Got a holographic Polygon, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Machoke, Potion, Maintenance again. Oh, I've already got doubles of that one. That's a shame. I might keep a hold of that, and I might actually give that away. So I'll put that over there. Get into the next one. Okay, I think we should try something a little bit different here. So I'm going to go with the Raichu. Straight up with the Onyx. Code. Right. Got a holographic Spirit Link. I haven't got one of them. Tangler. Staryu. A Fighting Energy. Magikarp. Where's that Gyarados? Onyx. Another maintenance. That's my third one now. That's another Misty's Determination. Not looking that great. Oh! Well, there you go. Oh, that's amazing. I actually pulled it. I can't believe that. Let's see if I get a better focus. So there you have it, guys. Third one in, and I got a Charizard. Wow. Brings back childhood memories. I can't believe that, to be honest. There we go. That is, yeah, I'm pretty hyped. Sick. Alright, so I've got the Charizard, so I'm pretty psyched about that. I'm pretty happy. So let's see what else I can get. If I can get those EX cards tonight, it'll be a good session. Right, so I might go with a Charizard now because I've got nothing really to lose now. Here's the code. Okay. Holographic Haunter, reverse. I haven't got one of them yet. Magikarp. Onyx. Sandshrew. Vulpix. Electabuzz. Nidorino. Actually, one of my all-time favorite cards. A Normal Energy. Hopefully I can get this a bit focused, guys, and sorry if I'm not. Charizard, Spirit Link, got one of them. And another Raticate. Okay, so better make it even. So I think we might go for Raichu. Come on. Straight up with the Ghastly. Yeah. Okay. Reverse holographic Magikarp. Electabuzz again. Magikarp. 2. Drowsy. Caterpie. Ghastly. Coffin. Kakuna. Charmeleon. Yeah. Let's see what this one is, eh? Ooh. Oh, I've already got that one too. So I might give that one away. See how we go. Okay, so down to 3. I'm gonna leave the Charizard to last because I'm hoping to get one of those EX cards, but we're gonna go with the Raichu. Good old Rai. The mouse. It's a lot harder than I thought it'd be opening these on camera. Something to get used to. Right. So we got the code. Okay. Holographic reverse holographic coughing. Magmite. Water energy. Growlithe. Chop. Voltorb. Kakuna. Coffin. Machoke. And Starmie. Don't have any more luck, guys. See how we go with the next two. Alright, so we're down to the last two. I'm gonna go with the Blastoise. Hopefully get some decent cards with these two. Straight up with fighting energy. Good code. Okay. Reverse Hollow Sandshrew. Weedle. Rattata. Tangler. Staryu. Another energy. Charmeleon. Venusaur Spirit Link. Energy Retrieval. And the last card. Oh, Arcanine. That's the second one I've got, but you know, I love Arcanine, so can't complain. Alright, then the last card. Okay, so let's see what I can get out of this one, eh? Voltorb straight off the bat. There's the code. Okay. Reverse Hollow Metapod. Caterpie. Ghastly. Diglett. Charmander. Voltorb. Haunter. Energy Retrieval. Kakuna. Alright, so guys, last card. Please give me something decent. Are you ready? Fail. Okay guys, so I'm sort of doing a bit of a cleanup at the moment, but out of all those booster packs, these are all doubles I got, so as you can see, tons of doubles. So I don't even know what I'm going to do with these. I've got tons more from other packs I've opened too, so there's not really anything useful for me here. But let's go to the good side of the booster packs, I guess. So this is what I pulled reverse holographic wise. Metapod. Blastoise Spirit Link. Sandshrew. Haunter. Magikarp. Porygon. And a Coffin. So that wasn't that bad, I guess. I got a few doubles of them too, but there's a few I don't have, so they'll go into the folder. Okay, so the rares I got is good old Arcanine and Electrode. And I already got these two as well, so yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Alright. Okay, so I also got doubles of the secret rare Japanese Executor, which is a shame because I would have liked to got some more secret rares, but I guess that's just how it goes, I guess. Okay, so now for the major pulls I got tonight, or this morning. It's actually 2 o'clock here in Australia. Venusaur EX. Now I have 2 of these, so I will be giving this one away to anyone who comments on my channel. I'm only a new channel, I only started out, so this would be a good promotion for that, I guess. But just comment, I want Venusaur. We'll just leave it as that. And yeah, so I'll pick a winner and get your details and send it all the way to you. Okay, so it turns out I actually don't have doubles of this guy, so it was actually the normal Pidgeot. But yeah, I'm pretty happy I got that guy, so I'll hold on to that one. Okay, now for the man himself, Charizard. Now, I could say that as an adult, pulling a holographic you really love is just as good as pulling one as a kid. Like, I had no idea I was going to get this tonight, and it just popped up out of nowhere. And unfortunately I didn't complete much of my collection tonight, but I did pull this guy, so I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm going to put him in his little spot. Oops, went too far. Oh, perfect. Alright, so that's in there. I don't know if you can... Oh, it's a bit too high. I would have liked to pull a lot more better cards tonight, but I'm pretty happy with getting Charizard. You know, that was a nostalgic card for me. I would have loved to pull one of the Mega Charizards. I still got 2 on my list or on my folder to get. So if you guys found this interesting, I'd be happy to do a few more episodes with this and probably pick up like 5 booster packs or even 3 or whenever I can, on just chuck up a quick video and update this collection until I get it done, I guess. But yeah, so this is my first video and hopefully it's interesting, and I'll hopefully get to send that card off. So just as I said before, just just comment, I want Venusaur, and I'll send it off. So cheers for that, guys, and have a good night. See ya.